How to change language on Facebook app. Open Facebook app. Tap menu icon. Scroll down. Tap Settings and Privacy. Tap Settings. In the Preferences section, tap Language and Region. Tap Language for buttons, titles and other text from Facebook. In the list of languages, find and select the one you want. Another way to get into the interface language settings. In case the application interface changes. Open Facebook app. Tap menu icon. Tap search icon. Write language settings. Choose a hint language settings, manage language settings. In the list of languages, find and select the one you want.